Hi everyone, this is Narsima. Welcome to HNS Physics. Today I am going to discuss about refraction of light. Just I am going to give the information about definition of refraction of light and its rules. Now let's see. Generally light always travel in a straight line. Light always travel in a straight line. So through the same medium or same material. So here medium or material means what nana here. So medium or material is nothing but I am going to take the examples air, water, glass. So these are the examples for air, water, glass are the examples for medium. Medium means a substance which can allow the light energy by pass through it is called medium. So generally light always travel in a straight line throughout the medium. So we'll see how it will travel when the ray of light in the same medium. So I am going to take a ray of light. So ray of light is traveling. This is the air. So if I am going to place the mirror, if I place the mirror means a smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called mirror. So what happened? Here in the same medium, the ray is traveling in a straight line. But if I arrange the mirror means what happened? The ray is incident on the mirror. Incident means striking on the mirror. So what the mirror is having, one side is coating, means one side is rough surface, other side is reflecting surface. So what happened? When the ray is incident on the surface, then what happened? It rebounds into the same medium. Rebounds into the same medium. This phenomenon is called, if I draw a one normal line, so this phenomenon is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. So like this, when the rays travel in the same medium in a straight line, this phenomenon is called reflection of light. So, but our topic is not reflection of light. Our topic is today refraction of light. So now we'll see about refraction of light. So right. Before that one, we can see few examples in our day-to-day life. So what are the examples? I'm going to take a glass of water. So in that glass, I'm going to take one pencil. It is look like straight. If I place here, what happened? The pencil is bends. It is appears look like bending, right? And we'll see one more example on board. One arrow is there. If you observe that arrow, it is appears reverse. Generally, that arrow is the right side. But if you observe through glass of water, that is appears left side. So and we'll see one more example. If we take the one lemon, so this is the lemon. It will look like a small size. That lemon is placed in the water, so that is appears somewhat rises up or somewhat big size. We can see one more example in our day-to-day life when we go to swimming pool. So by the time when we stand inside the swimming pool, the level of the floor is appears rises somewhat height. If you see like this, our feet size also, our leg size also appears like a short size. So these are the examples we can see in our day-to-day life. Is there any magic here? Why these things are appearing like that? There is no magic, only due to the refraction of light. Now we'll see what will happen when the ray travel from one medium to another medium. So right, I am going to take here one glass slab. So this is the glass. Now when the ray is coming from source of light, it is traveling in the air, right? So when it is enter into the glass, this is the actual direction of the ray, but when it is enter into the glass, the ray takes place bending. So this phenomenon is called refraction of light. This phenomenon is called refraction of light. So what is the cause of refraction of light? Why the ray is bending? Why? That ray is bending. So generally in air the speed of light 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Right? If you take glass, that is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. When the rays enter from air to glass, that means what on here? The rays are traveling from one medium to another medium. Means one material to another material. Then what happens? The speed is going to become decreases. So that is the main reason. That's why the rays bends. The rays takes place bending. So that's why. So here see here air the 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Air is nothing but here act as like rarer medium. Rarer medium means in which medium the speed of light is more. That medium is called rarer medium. Or we can say optically it is having less density. Next come to glass. So it is act as like denser medium. Denser medium means in which medium the speed of light is less. That medium is called denser medium. Or we can say it optically it is having more density. That's why it is called denser medium. So when the rays enter from air to glass, the speed is going to become decreases. When the speed is going to become decreases means wavelength also going to become decreases. So due to that thing, the ray takes place bending. So this phenomenon is called refraction of light. So what is the definition of refraction of light? The bending ray of light when it is traveled from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. What is the cause of refraction of light? Change in speed. Main thing, change in speed. Means the speed is when the rays travel from air to glass, speed is going to become changed. That's why it takes place bending. Now this is about refraction of light. Now here rules are there related to refraction of light. We'll discuss those rules. Right. So rule 1 here. Rule 1. I am going to take a glass slab. Right. This is a glass slab. Right. If I draw here one normal line. The rays are passing from air to glass. This is the air and this is nothing but glass. When the rays traveling from air to glass, this is the actual direction of the ray, but the rays traveling from air to glass, speed is going to become decreases, the wavelength also decreases. When the wavelength is decreasing means what happens? The rays takes place bending. That rays bends towards the normal. The rays bending towards the normal. So this is called angle of incidence. So the angle between the incident ray to normal light, that angle is called angle of incidence. And here this refractor ray makes an angle with normal light. That angle is called angle of refraction. Here angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. So how that ray is deviated from its original direction, that angle is called angle of deviation. So by the time we can write the angle of deviation formula I minus R, because angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Next come to rule 2. Here what is the rule 2 my here? When the rays this is the rule 2. Right, again I am going to take glass slab. Right, now I draw the normal line. Now in this case the ray passing from denser medium to rarer medium. That means glass to air. So this is the rays passing glass to air. So this is called angle of incidence. When the ray passing from glass to air, then the ray speed is increases. When it is entering into the air, speed increases, then wavelength also increases. That's why the ray bends away from the normal. So this is called angle of refraction. So in this case, angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. So what will come here? This is the actual direction of the ray. So this is called angle of deviation. So then angle of deviation is equal to R minus I. So here angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. Next, come to rule 3. Rule 3. Now, I am going to take glass slab, right? So, if I draw the normal line, this is the normal line. But here, when the ray is passing through glass slab, that means there is no bending the ray of light. When it is incident on the glass slab with an angle 90 degrees, that's why the ray, there is no bending. The ray travel like straight line only. So in this case, what about angle of incidence? What about angle of incidence? 0, because there is no angle between the incident ray and normal line, because the ray of light is passing through normal line only. So that means it is coincide with the normal line. That's why angle of incidence 0 and angle of refraction also becomes 0. Then what happened in this case? What about speed of light in this case? Is there? It will be, the speed of light will be changed or not? Yes, change. When it is in air, the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second only. When it is enter into the glass, the speed 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So speed will be changed, but there is no bending. So these three are rules related to refraction of light. So for complete chapter, for complete information, download the Sutra online app. Thank you for everyone.